Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, you can check out the description box and book your slots. And for the best healing morality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below in the description box. So let's start, Leo. Let's see what are your 7 messages for 7 days for this week. '27th, we have the adventure. So on the 27th of January, you are going to start some kind of new journey, especially on your spiritual path. It will be like starting a chakra healing journey, going on a spiritual retreat, going on a healing retreat, or doing something totally different that you have always tried. This is something totally new, okay? For some of you, if it is not a spiritual thing, it is going to be some kind of fun, adventurous trip kind of a thing. 28th of January, we have the playfulness. The more you are going to be in the playfulness and beautiful, kind-hearted, kind of light-hearted kind of energy, the more life is going to be more beautiful and more loving and caring and playful for you, right? 29th, we have the morality. Now on the 29th of January, you might have this tendency to fight with somebody because their moral ground, their moral values are not going to align with yours. Could be a group of people who is trying to put you down in some way. Try to be polite, try to stay away from any kind of drama or frustration or anger, because you need to understand that every person is different, every person's energy is different, so is their moral grounds. So just don't try to create any kind of stupid energies around you, because it's going to hurt you only eventually. I don't see anything positive coming out of that. 30th of January, we have the awareness. You are going to be able to see people, thing, and situation with a different light, with the awareness kind of conscious kind of energy. So you will be able to accept things and people and situations for what they are and who they are. It's like a Buddha consciousness kind of energy awakening. It's like a very beautiful spiritual kind of energy awakening with from you, awakening from your side. Yeah, something happened. So we have 27, 28, 29, 30. 31st, we have the rebel. So on the 31st of January, you have to break the chains here. You have to stand up for yourself. You might have to fight for your own rights. You might have to fight for your own freedom. But this rebellious kind of energy is required from your side in order to get something that you really wanted. Maybe from a very long time, but you have to fight for it. You have to be the rebellious energy. You have to be the one for yourself who can take a stand for yourself. 1st of Feb, we have the receptivity. The more you are going to be in the receptive energies of receiving the messages, the communication from the universe's side, the more your life is going to be more smoother, more happier, more peaceful. It's like universe trying to tell you to be in the receptive energy rather than in this chaotic kind of energy of doing something all the time. Sometimes all we have to do is to receive, just receive and calm down and relax. 2nd of Feb, we have the traveling. So on the 2nd of Feb, you might have this energy of going on a travel, going on a literal travel, or for some of you, spiritual journey. You will start a spiritual journey kind of a thing where you know the end result, but the path is not going to be clear in front of you. It's completely fine. You will be able to see the clear picture of the path as well when you will start traveling in that direction, when you will start going in that direction. So the sun is going to shine bright when you will when you will take the first step and start traveling. You will definitely be able to get the path clearer in front of you very soon. So just start traveling, start going, start the starting point, start from the starting point, and you will be able to see everything clearly in the coming future. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.